Welcome to RussianMeTV. Let's get started. Tree. Дерево. 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 Stump will be pin. Pin. It's a stick. Stick will be палка. Палка. Grass. Grass would be трава. 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 It's a leaf. Leaf will be лист. 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 This is a bush, and bush will be куст. 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 Одну минуточку. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Max. So she also forgot to mention, don't forget to go on RussianMeTV.com to see all the new video lessons that are coming out and has been out, and to see the following words or sentences of the day, and the most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, or just simply give me a comment on my website. I'll reply as soon as I possibly can. I'll catch you next week. Thanks. Peace. Yeah, we also had some fun recording this video. Check out some behind the scene footage.
Очень было интересно. Thanks for watching. С вами была Кристина.
Сайк. Помощник. Наташа.
Режиссер.
А я кто?
Продюсер.
Сайк. Я президент этого YouTube канала, кстати. Все, больше не буду.
Все, что ли?
С вами был Папа Макс.
Мы домой пройдемся по штуке.